Hello viewers, today I'd like to introduce you to a year 2019 Hijt Jumbo. It's the one with a little bit of head clearance and has a little space in the back. It reclines, the seat can recline, so you have more of a leg room. Now this one is very special. It's given a full 4-inch body lift up. Not like an easy raise. This is a solid height raise. Comes with chunky off-road tires with 14-inch aftermarket rims. Also comes with a front bull bar and a skirt underneath the cover. Come LED lights and fog lamp. Has the chrome front grille, chrome side mirrors. Also has a rubber tray, which is very handy. A tow bar, voltage socket. Comes also with a rear tail lamp cover that makes it look a bit more off-roadish. And it's in that nice khaki color. Power window, dual airbag. It's a 5-speed manual with a high-low range shift. Air conditioning, of course. And also comes with drive recorder. It's very nice. Very, very nice. And it's only done 19,000 kilometers. Very, very low mileage with books and auction sheet. Non-accident. I think it was a grade 4 or maybe 4.5, but I'll have a look. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Bye.